and the directions were also passed to Planning Commission. And the Planning Commission was present, was very much alive till 31st December 2014. Till 31st December 2014, Planning Commission was very much alive. It was only on 1st January 2015 that Niti Aayog came in. So the cabinet approved on 2nd March 2014, and the file was just left in Planning Commission for implementation for whole 7 months. And unfortunately, our Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu did not bother about it. Had he gone to Planning Commission and pursued it then itself, it would have been a reality. We would have been talking about, we would not have been talking about this issue.
Sir, I'm Tanushree from India Today. Sir, meeting Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister is one thing and meeting BJP President Amit Shah is another. So is that your way of showing allegiance to the BJP? Secondly, I know you're a state leader, but since you have had a history with the Congress party, do you think the dynasty politics and Rahul Gandhi have to go for the Congress to survive, sir?
Your good name, huh?
Tanushree from India Today.
Yeah, Tanushree. See, the problem is, see, as far as my meeting with Amit Shah ji is concerned, is because today, the most powerful person in this country, at least a person who can help our state, be it with finances or be it with special category status or be it with anything, is the Prime Minister himself. So he is the Prime Minister, I am the Chief Minister. So I need to ask him, I need to request him, I need to do everything what I should be doing as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh to persuade him to do the best what he can to the state of Andhra Pradesh. And as far as meeting Amit Shah is concerned, Amit Shah ji is concerned, who is the number 2 man, who is the most powerful number 2 man in the country? Can I ask you straight? Tell me.
You have already decided that.
I did not say. You saying it as well. You saying it as well along with me. Everybody in this room, everybody in this room knows about it. See, today the second most powerful man in this country is obviously of the party that is in power, and that is none other than the party president Amit Shah. So me meeting the second most powerful man in this country is also to make sure and also to request the second most man in this country to also persuade the first most powerful man in this country to help Andhra Pradesh tide over the situation that we are in.
You
said you are disappointed with the...
I will not tell you.
Mr. Reddy, the Congress question. Do you think Rahul Gandhi, the dynasty politics must go for Congress to survive, sir? You have had a history with Congress party.
See, at this stage, it's not right on my part to comment on party that has lost. It's not right on my part to make any such comments. It's their internal decision, internal democracy, and whatever they deem fit as a party, they do take their stand. And whatever decision they take, it affects their party, not my party. So I shouldn't be bothered about what decisions they take. If at all they want to take a decision, it only affects their party. So why should I be bothered about that?
Sir, you said you are disappointed with the numbers of the BJP, right? And did you say this to Modi also? Pointed out to him that, look, you are in a position of strength and I can't target you with you much. Please help me. Did you say that? And did he point out to you your similar numbers? Your numbers in the state, they are far higher, far bigger, far higher.
So if you're going to ask me where a full stop was put, where a comma was put, then it gets slightly difficult on my part to explain what actually, how the conversation went with full stops and commas. But you know, on the face of it, we had a healthy discussion, we had a positive discussion, and he was positive about the whole thing. And it was 1 hour discussion. He spared 1 hour. He listened to us. He was positive about the whole thing. And he had, I could see that he had something in his heart that he wanted to help Andhra Pradesh. He wanted to help our state. That was quite visible when I heard him, when I saw him. So the whole conversation went positive. But obviously, in one conversation, nobody says, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. Nobody would conclude that. So he was positive, so that's one positive step. That's one positive direction at least. And we don't stop meeting him now with just one meeting. Every time we go there, we still persuade him and say, sir, please, and we need to just keep pushing it. What else can we do? Till he yields.
So what's the status on NDA? Are you looking at joining NDA? That was my question if you didn't answer.
Why do they need any party to join them? They themselves are 340 plus. So they don't need any of us or anybody to actually, to be joining them. Because they themselves have the numbers. Unfortunately, that is what I've been saying. I prayed to God so much that, please Lord, God, don't give them that, please don't give them beyond 250.
Perhaps you did pray to
Well, unfortunately, what am I supposed to do? Unfortunately, God so also delivered them with an overwhelming mandate as He has given me an overwhelming mandate in my state.
Perhaps you should have prayed to their God, sir.
I think we just push with one or two questions, and after that I think we'll wind up.
You invited,
Please go.
you invited PM Narendra Modi and Amit
Sir,
or you are swearing in.
I'll answer that. I'll answer.
From ACT speaking. Sir, regarding your meeting with KCR and Telangana dispute, what is the outcome? Because you have met him before meeting PM and also. Sir, how do you this?
How hopeful are you regarding the entire meeting that happened between you?
See, there are two different subjects. Me meeting KCR Garu is a separate subject. Me meeting Narendra Modi ji Garu is a separate subject. Both of them to two different subjects. See, as far as my meeting with KCR Garu is concerned, both of us speak the same language. And it's very important that, we share a cordial relationship, we share a good relationship between us. We combinedly can voice out for the needs of each other. And in fact, he moved one step further and he said, much before these elections itself, he said that he's willing to support special category status also, even that particular issue of Andhra Pradesh also, he was vocal in saying. So that being the case, he's moved a couple of steps in our favor. So my meeting KCR Garu was to invite him for my swearing in ceremony, so that states can actually work together for a better cause. And as far as meeting Narendra Modi ji Garu and also asking him to come for my swearing in ceremony is concerned, as raised by one of the journalists here. I don't know your name. Your good name? Neeraj. As far as that issue is concerned, yes, I also did invite Modi ji Garu also to come and bless the state of Andhra Pradesh with his presence. With special category status, of course. Of course. But unfortunately, I think they themselves have got a swearing in ceremony of their own. And I guess, I don't know. I don't know whether they would come or not, but I did ask both of them that, please come over and please bless the state of Andhra Pradesh. We need your support. And when somebody like that could be convinced to come, and then big announcement on SCS, if it could be made, it would have been wonderful. And I don't know whether it would happen or not. Anyway, I think we're done, ma?
సార్ ప్రతిసారి మీరు ఒంటరి పోరుకే సిద్ధపడ్డారు ఏంటి అఖండ విజయాన్ని ఉద్దేశించారా ఎవరి ఆమరణ హస్తం తీసుకోలేదు
దేవుడి మీద ప్రజల మీద నమ్మకం. కానీ ఒక్కటైతే నేను ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తాను, ఈరోజు మొట్టమొదటిసారి నేను ప్రధానమంత్రిని కలిశాను. బహుశా రాబోయే రోజుల్లో ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాల కాలంలో దేవుడు ఆశీర్వదిస్తే ఇంకా 30-40 సార్లు కూడా కలుస్తాను. కానీ కలిసిన ప్రతిసారి మాత్రం ఆయన ప్రత్యేక హోదా ఇచ్చేంత వరకు ప్రతిరోజు అడుగుతూనే ఉంటాయి కలిసినప్పుడు.
సార్
అది మాత్రం కష్టంగా చెప్తాను.
సార్
అది ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి కష్టంగా వస్తుంది. దాన్ని మాత్రం వదిలేసే పరిస్థితి మాత్రం ఎప్పుడూ ఉండదు. ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతూనే ఉంటాం దాన్ని మాత్రం.
సార్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారికి ముందుగా శుభాభినందనలు. అన్న వస్తున్నాడు, నవరత్నాలు తెస్తున్నారంటూ ఆత్మీయ సుస్థిర స్థానాన్ని సంపాదించుకున్నారు మీరు. అయితే 8 వరకు బాగానే ఉన్నాయి సార్. మద్యపాన నిషేధాన్ని మీరు ఎలా అమలు చేయబోతున్నారు? ఈ సవాల్ని ఎలా ఎదుర్కోబోతున్నారు?
మద్యపాన నిషేధం సంబంధించి నేను వెరీ క్లియర్గా చెప్పాను. గ్రాడ్యువల్గా చేస్తాం, ఫేస్డ్ మేనర్లో చేస్తామని చెప్పిన దానికి కట్టుబడి ఒకటేసారి రెవెన్యూస్ను పూర్తిగా తీసేయలేని పరిస్థితిలో ఉంటాం. కానీ రెవెన్యూస్ను స్లోగా తగ్గిస్తాం. ఒక పక్క అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకొని రావాలి, మరో పక్క రీహాబ్ సెంటర్లను పెంచాలి, రెవెన్యూస్ గ్రాడ్యువల్గా తగ్గించుకుంటూ పోవాలి. ఇవి చేసుకుంటూ పోయి నెక్స్ట్ ఎలక్షన్లకు 2024లో నేను ఓట్లు అడిగే సమయానికి మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా మద్యాన్ని 5 స్టార్ హోటల్స్ మాత్రమే పరిమితం చేస్తూ చేసిన తర్వాతనే ఓట్లు అడుగుతాను. అది మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తా ఉన్నాను. మేనిఫెస్టోలో కూడా కరెక్ట్గా ఇదే చెప్పాను. వచ్చిన వెంటనే ఒకే దఫాలో చేస్తానని చెప్పలేదు. మేనిఫెస్టోలో ఏదైతే చెప్పానో అది ఒక ఖురాన్లా భావిస్తాను, ఒక బైబిల్లా భావిస్తాను, ఒక భగవద్గీతలా భావిస్తాను. మేనిఫెస్టోలో చెప్పిన ప్రతి అంశం కూడా తూచా తప్పకుండా ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు ఎలా చేస్తామని కూడా చాలా డీటెయిల్గా కూడా చెప్పాను. మాట తప్పకుండా ఖచ్చితంగా చేస్తాం. ఈరోజు రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలకు విశ్వసనీయత అన్న పదం అర్థంతో ఇవాళ ప్రజలు ఓటేశారు. ఆ విశ్వసనీయత అన్న పదం ఎక్కడ కూడా సన్నగిల్లకుండా, నమ్మకం వాళ్ళకి తగ్గకుండా ఖచ్చితంగా పూర్తిగా అన్ని రకాలుగా నేను అడుగు ముందుకేస్తానని మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తాను.